Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be bringing you a add-on product to our performance lights. This is going to be a amp bracket for our performance series lights. This is the bracket here. It's going to come with some hardware. So when you get the light, you're going to get this bracket. The lights will be mounted to this bracket here. So what we're going to do is show you how to swap your lights over to the amp bracket, and then how to also get that installed. And the purpose of the amp bracket is a lot of the OEM and aftermarket amps are up underneath the fairing. The amp sticks through the fairing a little bit, so this bracket here gives the amp some space to come through that bracket and then also be able to get your plug in. So behind me here we got our 2022 Road Glide Special. We named the cartoon bike because of the paint job on it. And we're going to go ahead and install this amp bracket kit on it. It has the OEM Rockford Fosgate amp, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to install our performance lights with your amp kit. So we're in the shop today. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to swap this stuff over and get this installed. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. All right guys, a couple tools you're going to need for the job is going to be either a T20 or a T25 for your windshield screws, depending on what kind you have. You're going to need a 1/2 inch socket, a 7/16 socket, an 8mm wrench, a T27, and a 3/16 Allen. All right guys, so the first thing we're going to do is swap our lights from the original mounting bracket to the amp mounting bracket. So what we'll want to do is flip the assembly over, and then we're going to remove these 2 screws on the back and then 2 screws on the side to remove the headlight from the bracket. So with the 3/16 Allen, and then 7/16 socket, okay, so our light's out. Now we'll flip our amp bracket over, put the light down flat, make sure the wire goes through the hole here, and then we are just going to simply remount this way. Now what you'll want to pay attention to is that you have them on the right side. So like here for instance, the way you know up from down is the diffused lenses, these 4 should be facing down. So we'll go ahead, reuse the same screws and hardware, and then just kind of get these started, kind of just hand tight. Okay, now what we want to do is tighten these 2 down before we do the side 2. Like that. And now we'll do the same thing for the other side light. So now we have our lights mounted to the amp bracket, and now we have to reuse our screws from our vent brackets. So we're going to remove the 2 screws that are holding these vent supports on. This is where you might need an 8mm put in there. So we're going to go ahead and reuse these 2 screws. Okay, so the kit is going to come with shorter vent screws like these here. So we'll go ahead and install these onto the amp bracket. this is your amp bracket setup. The differences between your original mount and the amp bracket mount is the amp bracket mount has a cutout right here for your amp, because the amp is going to stick through this bracket just a little bit. So this cutout here gives the bracket room to stick through, where you can see on your original bracket it's filled in, there's no cutout here. So we're going to go ahead and pull the fairing on the bike over here. If you need to know how to do that, you can look in the description below. There'll be a link for a full front fairing removal on these bikes. All right, so we have our fairing off. We can go ahead and pull our OEM headlight off. There's going to be 4 screws here, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Be a 3/16 Allen to pull these out. And then once you get this out, you can throw this right in the trash. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and install 4 of these standoffs. We're gonna add a little bit of blue Loctite to them. And then with a 1/2 inch, you can tighten them down. All right, so once you have the 4 standoffs in place, we can place our mount here. We have our OEM Rockford Fosgate amp. Some of you guys run in some of the bigger ones like the Cicadias and stuff like that. This should work still for you guys. If it doesn't, for some reason, if you're still having, you know, some clearance issues here, you can take this tab here and trim this down on the side a little bit if you need to. Also down here where the plug is at, if you need to make a little more clearance, you guys can do that. But this setup should work for most of your OEM and aftermarket amps. So we'll go ahead and install the lights now. Okay, so we'll install our harness. Make our connection to the lights. And make sure you get your wires tucked up under here. Like that. And then you can go ahead and install the mounting screws. All right, so we're gonna install this top screw here. Okay, now on this other side, the kit's gonna come with a thicker washer. What you wanna do is use this thicker washer on this side. If you don't use this thick washer, when you put this screw in, it's gonna stick past the back and it's gonna push on your amp bracket. We're just gonna go ahead and install this here. Okay, now the last thing we have to do is put our vent screws here to hold this, our vent support screws. And now we'll get the bike buttoned up and we'll give you guys a look of the lights on there. Check them out at hogworks.com. Thanks for watching, guys.